Hello, welcome back to our channels. This is Jupit. How are you? I think you are doing well. So let's see why we are present here today. Today we are present here with some important tips which is very helpful for IELTS beginner, right? So let's begin. The first thing that you should do is you should skim and skim the passage. When you begin a passage, then you should skim and skim because if you skim the passage, then you will understand whole passage. And if you skim the passage, then it will locate the information, right? And always remember, locating information and machine heading are the same. And what you also need to do is, if you found any new one, you should work on it. You should try by using yourself, right? So, if you found any new words, then try to use repeatedly on your conversations, on your sentence creation. And this is also very important. All the hyphenated word will be counted as a single word, right? So, these are for today's. I will present with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.